Hello my friends, this is Mike with SeaWater Pro. We are testing our new membrane with the CNC billet aluminum caps, Teflon coated fiberglass vessel with stainless rods. We're right now running at just over 1500 psi. We've been testing this for close to half an hour now. We're up to 1600 psi. I don't think the pump can take any more pressure. But we are holding 1600 psi without a problem. So take the pressure down. This is almost double the rated pressure of the average membrane. So you're supposed to be running at 800 psi. We passed the test at double that pressure without a problem. Thank you for watching.